Kai Green and Debbie Ladzewiski are prominent figures in bodybuilding, each excelling in their respective categories. Here is a comparison based on several factors. Competition history. Kai Green is a two-time Arnold Classic champion and a perennial top contender at the Mr. Olympia. Green is known for his impressive size and artistic posing. He placed second at the Mr. Olympia in 2012 and 2014, showcasing his consistency at the highest level. Debbie Ladzewiski has made her mark in the FBB Pro circuit, often placing in the top ranks of women's bodybuilding competitions. She is a notable competitor in the figure category and has earned multiple top 5 finishes at the Figure Olympia Physique. Kai Green is recognized for his massive musculature, particularly in his back and legs, along with a unique aesthetic appeal. His conditioning and symmetry often set him apart from other competitors. Debbie boasts a well-defined physique with strong shoulders and a narrow waist, emphasizing the classic female bodybuilding aesthetic. Her conditioning is consistently praised, making her a formidable competitor in posing style. The posing style. Kai Green is known for his theatrical posing routines. Green incorporates elements of performance art, which captivates audiences and judges alike. His ability to blend strength with artistic expression is a hallmark of his style. Debbie's posing is characterized by precision and elegance, focusing on showcasing her muscle definition and symmetry. She adheres to the standards of the figure category, emphasizing pose and presentation. Popularity and influence. Kai Green has a significant following, bolstered by his appearances in documentaries and social media presence. His influence extends beyond bodybuilding, inspiring many with his personal story and artistic approach. Debbie, while not as widely known as Green, has a dedicated fan base within the female bodybuilding community. She represents the evolution of women's bodybuilding and serves as the role model for aspiring female athletes.